Are you craving sugar all the time, gaining weight from foods you used to tolerate, feeling flat, tired, or anxious, and you don't know why? They're warning signs from your gut. Your microbiome controls way more than just digestion. And when your gut microbiome is messed up, also known as gut dysbiosis, you can feel endless fatigue, frequent colds, bloating, breakouts, low mood, and anxiety. But there is good news. When you fix your gut, most of those symptoms disappear. Today I'm breaking down the top gut health red flags you need to know so you can stop guessing, start healing, and finally feel like yourself again. Now, I've been on both sides of this. When my gut was wrecked, I was bloated, moody, and tired all the time, and nothing seemed to work. But once I rebuilt my microbiome, everything changed. Even fries and wine didn't throw me off, because your body starts to work for you and not against you. It is a process, and a good rule of thumb is that for every year you've been struggling with your gut health, it takes about a month to repair it. Now watch to the end, because I will show you the best foods to beat sugar cravings naturally. All right, let's get into it. The signs, the symptoms, the solutions, so you can stop surviving and start thriving. Hi, I'm Leilani. I'm a clinical nutritionist and a gut health nerd, here to help you get better gut health in just a few minutes a day. Number one, irregular bowel habits. I'm talking constipation and diarrhea. Your poop is your gut's daily progress report. How it looks, smells, and whether it floats or even sinks. It's all telling you what's going on inside the almighty gut cave. Let's get straight into the messy bits. Pooping is how your body gets waste out. And if you're not going at least once a day or every other day, you could be building up toxic wasteland that affects your mind and your body in ways that you can't even imagine. If it's a dry struggle or a diarrhea dash, that is a red flag that your gut is trying to tell you something. And here's why. When you're constipated, your body starts reabsorbing that waste it was meant to eliminate. We're talking old hormones, metabolic byproducts, and toxins your liver is working super hard to get rid of. It's like putting out the rubbish, then dragging it back in the kitchen again. This toxic boomerang is called endohepatic recirculation, and it can lead to fatigue and skin breakouts, mood swings, and chronic inflammation. Now, diarrhea, that is not a detox. It is often a sign of a gut wall inflammation or enzyme depletion and poor mineral and vitamin absorption. Your body is in panic mode. If your stools are too loose or too hard, you're likely not absorbing nutrients like iron, B12, or magnesium. So this translates as brain fog, low immunity, hormone imbalances, restless legs, anxiety. They can all be tied back to this bowel issue. And 1 in 3 women with fatigue have gut-related nutrient deficiencies, not the dietary kind. So how to fix it? Check the shape, smell, and frequency of your poop. Not sure what healthy looks like? Download my free Bristol stool chart plus poop tracker. It's inside my gut love club. It's totally free. I'll put the links below. And I'm about to spill the scoop on your poop. We're talking how to read your stool like a pro. The easiest at-home tricks to measure how long food takes to travel through your gut, and what to do and eat if things are stuck, sloppy, or all over the shop. So hit subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss it. This one's gonna change the way you look at your poo forever. Number 2, chronic bad breath, also called halitosis. Does it smell like a snail crawled into your mouth and died? That could be your gut talking. Bad breath isn't just a dental drama, it's often your first gut symptom. The mouth is the top of your digestive tract. And if your oral microbiome is out of balance, chances are your gut flora is too. Recurring ulcers, a white-coated tongue, a geographic tongue with like patchy appearances, they can all be signs of candida or yeast overgrowth. So more on candida and sugars coming up. It can also mean low stomach acid or bacterial imbalances like SIBO. So white coating could be a sign of yeast or sluggish detox. Bright red tongue might signify gut inflammation or B vitamin deficiency. Step 1, go see your dentist. Step 2, fix your gut health. And a lot of these symptoms will clear up naturally. I've got a free tongue and gut decoder cheat sheet coming up inside the Gut Love Club, so it's going to help you figure out exactly what your tongue is trying to tell you. Now, if you're game, let me know in the comments what your tongue looks like. Is it white, red, cracked, patchy? I'll try to give you a general guide answer on what it could mean for your health. 3, digestive discomfort. Gas, bloating, abdominal pain. Feels like you're having a food baby, but you're not pregnant. Smelly gas, cramping, bloating after meals. This is your gut crying for help. Bloating is one of the most common and most misunderstood gut symptoms. It can show up right after meals, hours later, and seemingly out of nowhere. But it is a big red flag. It usually means you're not breaking down your food properly. You have a bacterial overgrowth that's fermenting your meals. Your gut lining is irritated, inflamed, or leaking. The discomfort might feel like fullness in the ribs, sharp gas pains, constant belching. It's not just annoying, it means your digestive fire, your stomach acid, enzymes, bile, it's not doing its job. And over 70% of people with bloating have underlying microbial imbalances. So poor gut health. And without a plan, like a food and symptom diary, food sensitivities, testings, or knowing how your meal's affecting your gut rhythm, you're basically stabbing in the dark with a spoon. So I'll teach you how to decode these signs in my gut health course with science-supported step-by-step tools. It also has a gut reset protocol, the symptom diaries, how to identify personal trigger foods, and cooking classes, goes into the testing, prebiotic supplements, all the stuff. So I'll put the link in the description below, go and check it out, because stop letting bloating run your day. Number 4, food intolerances or sensitivities. Did you used to eat cheese with joy and now it feels like revenge? If every meal ends in bloating, brain fog, or a skin freak out, your gut might be waving the white surrender flag saying, I need help. When your gut lining gets inflamed or leaky, tiny food particles sneak into your bloodstream like little rebels, and your immune system freaks out. It starts seeing your avocado on toast as the enemy, along with other healthy foods or common gut triggers like gluten, soy, corn, salicylates, histamines. There's a few. Now, signs your gut is not loving lunch. If you feel foggy in the head after 20 minutes of eating, or bloating from seemingly innocent meals, skin flare-ups or itchy rashes, mood swings out of nowhere, rule out allergies first, because intolerances versus allergies, they're a different thing. So allergies, think Will Smith in Hitch versus intolerance, just needing stretchy pants. And most intolerances are actually temporary and caused by a stressed out gut or a leaky gut. Give your body a break, do some gut repair, and those foods can often come back. It is a process, and it is worth working with a practitioner. Also, my gut health course talks you through a lot of that process. Number 6, unexplained weight gain or weight that just won't budge. Your smoothie's clean, your sneakers are worn, so why are your jeans screaming, I can't fit in here? Your gut microbes play a major role in how you store fat. burn calories, and manage cravings. Some bacteria tells your body to store fat like winter's coming. Others help you burn it like a furnace. Gut-triggered weight issues. Belly weight that won't shift, cravings that hit like a freight train, feeling puffy, heavy or inflamed, or just weight loss stalls despite a good routine. You gotta fix that metabolic mess. Feed fat-burning bugs with prebiotics like lentils, garlic, green banana flour. I got all that in my cooking classes, go check them out. Get rid of sneaky sabotage, get rid of sneaky oils and fake sweeteners, refined carbs. Balance your blood sugar so you have fewer cravings and there's less fat storage. And trust me, I've lived on both sides of the gut health fence. When my gut is out of whack, my mood is low, I'm tired all the time, and I gain weight from the exact same foods I used to eat without an issue. When my gut is happy, I have wine all the time, I even eat fries and burgers quite a bit, more than I should, and I feel okay. It's like a switch flips and your body wants to heal. Just like it knows how to close a cut in your skin, it knows how to reset your insides too. So start by swapping your everyday foods for microbiome friendly versions. And I walk you through the top swaps for most common foods in this video. If you're serious about shifting your weight, cook for your good gut bugs and not just your taste buds. I share weekly cooking classes with most science-backed ingredients to help boost your metabolism from the inside out. Number 7, persistent fatigue and sleep problems. You're exhausted all the time, then wired at night. You're running on caffeine and chaos. Your gut makes most of your serotonin. It's your mood and energy hormone. And it supports melatonin, your sleep hormone. So when your gut's inflamed and stressed, your nervous system gets dragged down with it. So it's red flags, the red flags your gut's draining your battery. 3 p.m. zombie crash. Needing coffee just to feel human. Waking up between 2 and 4 a.m. Struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep. What helps here? Cut caffeine after 10 a.m. I know, trust me, but just try something else. Matcha or tea, low dose tea. Add a magnesium supplement or Epsom salt bath. Try eating dinner earlier and start your day with the ultimate microbiome morning routine. It helps rebalance cortisol, melatonin, and kickstarts your gut. And you can watch it here. When your gut's in battle mode, it's burning through your energy reserves, just trying to function. And that's why the next point is another biggie. Number 8, weak immunity and autoimmune issues. Do you get sick all the time? Like someone sneezes and you're down for the count? That's just not bad luck. Your gut is busy at war. Around 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When your microbiome is out of whack, you're basically running defense with one glove and a blindfold. Gut-linked immune issues. Catching every cold that passes your way, recurrent UTIs, cold sores, skin infections, flares up from autoimmune condition, feeling off even when your labs are fine or normal. You got to strengthen your gut and immune headquarters. Remove the gut irritants like gluten, sugar, processed food. Load up on gut repair heroes, bone broth, zinc, prebiotics. Add fermented foods for microbial diversity. Prioritize sleep. Calm your nervous system. Number 9, skin issues like acne, eczema, rashes. If your face is breaking out, but it's your gut that's freaking out. No, your face is breaking out, but it's actually your gut freaking out. Your skin is your outer detoxification organ. When your gut gets lazy and leaky, toxic stuff escapes into your bloodstream, your immune system panics, and your skin lights up like a dashboard. It's a classic gut skin symptoms, and you can see it: acne, eczema, rosacea, dryness, redness, hives, skin even worse after meals. Clear skin starts from the inside. Get on top of it now because it only gets worse if your gut is left untreated. Number 9, mood, anxiety, and brain fog. Are you feeling foggy, flat, or low-key anxious, but can't figure out why? Your gut is basically your second brain, and it's got a lot to say. Your brain's up here and your gut is here, and it's the all-important border between your body and the outside world. So there's a non-stop messaging system firing up between the two. So if your gut is inflamed, leaky, or in a food fight, guess what signals it's sending upstairs? Panic, confusion, danger, gut-triggered mood symptoms, racing thoughts, or random waves of anxiety. Or if you're struggling to focus or think clearly, or you're snappy, numb, or just not quite you, here's what helps temporarily while you fix your gut. Breath work before meals. It tells your nervous system you're safe. Adding fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, miso, because your brain actually really likes these. You support your gut lining with zinc and glutamine and fiber-rich foods. If your gut's overwhelmed, sometimes the best thing you can do is give it a full reset. I'll be releasing my gut reset protocol soon, so hit the subscribe button to get the memo when that drops. It's also part of my full course, but if you want more of that singular item, I'm going to release that really soon. Number 10, we made it, well done. Yeast overgrowth, candida, thrush, fungal funk. Are you craving sugar like your life depends on it? You're not weak. Your gut bugs are just hangry. Candida is that clingy X that shows up everywhere. Your gut, your tongue, your bits, your skin. When it overgrows, it pumps out toxins that mess with your mood, hormones, digestion, and cravings. It loves sugar, alcohol, and stress. Basically, your weekends. So here's some signs it's yeast and not just you. White coat tongue, recurring UTIs or yeast infections, brain fog and bloating daily, intense cravings for bread, wine, or chocolate, skin rashes, or itchy ears. Now let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full video on this, because like sugar cravings are crazy common, something I see all the time with clients. Quick tip, start adding more sour and bitter foods to your day. They're brilliant for restraining your taste buds and calming cravings. Bitter greens like rocket or arugula, dandelion leaves, radicchio, they help with this. And don't forget to check out my 2-part video series on fermented foods. I'll put the links in the description. They help rebalance your gut bacteria, okay, those little bugs that literally beg your brain for more sugar. Okay, so if you're thinking, oh crap, that's me, you're not alone. The good news is the gut is incredibly responsive. It wants to heal. It just needs the right signals, swaps, and support. If this video gave you an aha moment, drop a poo emoji in the comments and tell me which red flag hit the hardest. And don't forget, I've got free cheat sheets to help you on your health journey waiting inside the Gut Love Club. So the links are below, as well as my gut health course for those of you who are just ready to take the next step. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this super useful, and I'll see you in the next video.